Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I hope you're all well and safe right now. This video is going to be 5 minimalistic looks. 5 looks I created from my own wardrobe because I haven't been shopping, and that kind of is what inspired me to do this video for myself and for you guys. I basically went through my wardrobe and thought, you know what? When us hairy little caterpillars get released into beautiful butterflies back out into the world, what am I going to be wearing? What am I going to wear to go about my business? And I haven't got anything new in my wardrobe, anything new, shiny and bright that I can look forward to wearing, because I haven't bought anything since beginning of March, at least the beginning of March, maybe the end of February. So no spring styles have come through my wardrobe at all for 2020, which I'm okay about because I don't actually buy anything too outrageous anyway, shall we say, per seasons. But you know, sometimes I introduce maybe a little bit of colour, and I do really like the pastels and the tie-dye kind of things that have been coming through over the last few weeks, but I haven't bought anything, like I say. So I went through my wardrobe and I have found 5 easy peasy looks that you can create from your own wardrobe, I'm sure. But they're put together, they're organised, they're cool, they're classic. Like I say, they're minimalistic, but they look like you've made an effort. So keep watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all the outfits. Please leave me a little comment if you did, and maybe which outfit you liked. I will be very happy wearing all of these outfits when we are back out into the world. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the lookbook. I hope you're keeping safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you disappear, and then I'll see you for future videos. That would be really nice, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.